complete the table. 4 and 10. The common factor is 2 and the common multiple is 20. Common factor is 5, common multiple is 30. What is the number? The number is 15 and 10. Find the LCM and HCF of 34, 36, and 60. The LCM is 360 and the HCF is 12. Mrs. David buys rice and cash price at the same store. Miss David buys rice every 4 days and cash every 10 days. If Miss David buy both together on May 1st, 2025, what date will she buy them again together? The answer is 21 May 2025.